Namaste everyone, I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Your friend Rajesh needs a document, maybe a file you've been working on, and like most of us, you probably just use Google Drive, or maybe share a folder on WhatsApp, just to send that one specific thing, maybe a project PDF, a photo album, or a resume. But would you ever give him access to your entire phone or cloud account? Of course not. You don't want him scrolling through everything, right? Just that one folder. We do this in real life all the time. Share only what's needed and keep the rest private. And that's exactly what a web disk account in cPanel helps you do. Let's say you've hired a designer to upload images to your website, or a content writer to manage blog files. Instead of giving them your full hosting login, you simply create a separate web disk account for them. It's like giving them access to just one drawer in your cupboard, not the whole closet. And hey, if you're using YouStable for your web hosting, you're already one step ahead. Their cPanel is packed with built-in tools like web disk, FTP, backups, and more. Perfect for managing your website like a pro. And if you ever get stuck, their support team is always there, even at midnight. We've all been there, right? So if you haven't already, head over to youstable.com and start hosting smart, not stressful. All right then, let's jump into cPanel and see how to create an additional web disk account in just a few clicks. Web disk allows you to use an encrypted connection, and it is the most secure way of file transfer in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to the Files section and click the web disk. Here, the main disk account uses the cPanel, suser, and login ID, and you may need to give the account's login details to other users of the domain. You can create an additional web disk account and give it to other users. Enter a username for web disk account and select a domain. You can enter a password manually or use the password generator. To generate a password, click Password Generator. Now, copy and save the generated password in a secure place. After saving the password, click the checkbox and then click the Use Password button. It automatically fills the generated password that is very strong. You can enter a directory for the web disk account to use. You can limit the access of the user to a particular folder or file by entering a directory here. The system already suggests one directory for you. You can permit the user to review, download, and alter the contents of the directory by selecting Read-Write option box. By selecting the Read-Only option box, you can prevent the user from making changes in the existing content of the directory. It is important if you allow the user to only read and download the data. He won't be able to alter it. If you are using the Windows operating system, you will need to mark Enable Digest Authentication. However, if the server has an authentic SSL certificate and can make an SSL connection, then it can be left disabled. Now click the Create button. That's it. We have successfully created the web disk account. Thank you for watching.